Hello everyone, let's begin with our book Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 7 by Sirfikera Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter today, that is chapter number 21, Constitution of India. The chapter begins with complete the sentences. We have to complete the sentences using the correct answer from the help disk. So let's begin with the exercise now. The first one given over here is Dash is the India's largest parliamentary constituency area wise, and the answer is. Then the next question given over here is the 1/3 members of Dash retire every second year, and the members are of Rajya Sabha. The next is the number of articles in the original Indian constitution is how much? It is 395. Then the next is some important parts of Indian constitution, they came into force on 26th November, that is before January 26, 1950. Then the fifth is Dash truly reflected the spirit of Hindu-Muslim unity, and it was the Khilafat movement. The number 6 we have Dash is the chairman of Planning Commission. So we'll write the answer over here as the Prime Minister. Next is Dash is the chairperson of Rajya Sabha, and the answer again here is the Vice President. 8. The Constitution of India is based on the parliamentary system of UK, that is United Kingdom. Next is the maximum period between any two terms of parliament and for a president rule is 6 months. The last statement is Dash is the other name of India mentioned in the Constitution of India. The other name of India is Bharat. So with this, we have now completed the fill in the blanks. Let's now move to the quick fact and the your answer please. The your answer please given over here is who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? And the second question for you children again here is where is Rashtrapati Bhavan located in India? Look out for the answers and write the answers here itself in the book. Let's now move on to the quick fact. The quick fact says that the Constituent Assembly meet for the first time in New Delhi on 9 December 1946. So the Constituent Assembly which was organized, it happened for the first time. The meeting was held for the first time on 9 December 1946. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.